Hi guys, welcome to my I was confused, like am I continuing the video or it's a new one. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So this look is on the other video. You can see I already posted it, but today I did not today, but I made a wet fried chicken, and then I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made it step by step. If you want to see, if you want to know how you can make wet fried chicken, if you don't know how to, or if you want to make like mine, then I'll be showing you step by step how I did it. And then I'll post also a picture there after the video. You'll see after we ate the chicken and the remaining part, you know what I did? I made some potatoes in the oven with garlic and oil and herbs and spices. I sliced it like chips, and then I slid it in the oven and I cooked them for about 45 minutes. Then the leftover of my chicken I laid on top of the potatoes, and then I slid it back in the oven, and it was so amazing. That was leftover. So you're gonna see when you finish watching the chicken video, you're gonna see the last picture of that, what I did with the leftover. And after that, for 12 minutes, it was not so ready, so I took it back for more 15 minutes. So I wanted to get like the yellowish brownish look, so I got it, and it was so yummy with the chapo I made earlier, because those chapos, I can't eat those chapos, they're in the freezer. So yeah, see you guys. This is how I make my wet fried chicken. I'm gonna show you step by step. So I have already cleaned and washed well my chicken, so I start by removing the skin because I don't like it too fatty. If you want to keep it, then you can sorry, leave it there, but I remove all the skin. I skin it off. It was a little bit hard when my chicken was on top of that cutting board, because I wanted the camera to focus. So I'm gonna set this aside, but it's definitely going to the garbage. And then you can see on the wings we still have some skin left, so I'm gonna try to remove it, though it seems difficult, this side and the other side. So I removed, but it wasn't perfect. You can see it can twerk to this chicken. It's twerking. So we'll start by cutting into bigger pieces. I like larger pieces. So start with the back. I think it was difficult. So the wing or the hand. Yeah, it's moving a lot. So I managed to cut everything, and now I'm gonna show you my spices. This is salt, and that is cinnamon stick, and this is garam masala, and this is black pepper, white pepper, and Royco cube. So I'm gonna start by squeezing the Royco cube inside. Squeezing, whatever, what do you say it? Yeah, breaking. And then I'm gonna add the white pepper, then the black pepper, then a stick of cinnamon. No, this is garam masala. Yeah, I like the taste so much. And then a stick of cinnamon, because I like the taste so much. It's good if you have also a bay leaf, you just pop one inside or two. So I'm gonna use a stick, not so big. Yeah. And then I add some salt. Everything is just eyeballing. There's no, depending on how The Royco we're gonna put later. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. So here I'm chopping one big onion, and then I'm gonna slide it into my chicken. So all the spices, chicken and onion, and then I'm gonna cook it for about 30 minutes, but I'll be checking in between. So don't put on high heat, put at least 4. So I'm gonna mix this very well so that the spices will be very well incorporated. Then I'll cover it. You don't need to add anything, water, nothing, no oil, because the chicken is oily. Then I'm gonna set to 4, not too high. So this is after 20 minutes. As you can see, all the chicken broth, I didn't add any water. It's cooking so well. It's almost ready. So I'm gonna use some of that broth or chicken, that soup you see there. I'm gonna use it to make my spice, because I don't want to add any water. So you mix it very well so that the upper part, the chicken, can also get ready. Then we're gonna cover it. Then here is my chili cube from Kenya. Since our chicken is very spicy and I already put some salt, I won't put so much. So I'm gonna take some chicken broth here and then put in my cup, cut my chili cube and melt it inside my chicken broth. Yeah, you know, it's a bit hard, it's not so soft. And then on a different cup with very cold water, I'm gonna mix my Royco, 1 teaspoon of Royco. I will mix well, and then all this I will pour in my chicken. I lost the video footage where I was pouring in. I don't know. I think I blocked with my finger, so it was dark, you see. So I poured inside, and then after that I let it cook for 10 minutes, and then our chicken was ready. And I was not satisfied with that result, because you see it looks good and it's ready. So this is how it looks. That red thing you see, it's very ready. I think that is just blood stained from the bone, but it is totally ready. But I don't like this color, so I'll put it back to cook a little bit more so that it will get more browner, you know, like goldish. So I did that, and this is what I got. And this is the chapati we made earlier. I have frozen them, they're in the freezer. And then for the leftover I talked about, this is it.